Meet the world's fastest detectors to install. With a range of intranet E-line detectors, Siemens sets a new benchmark in motion detection. Feature-rich, the single and dual technology detectors offer the best price performance on the market and reduce installation time by over 50%. Provide the highest installation flexibility. Reduce stock levels and costs. Are quality ensured and tested to the highest standards. Deliver the highest detection capability and flexibility even with pet immunity. One of the key features of E-line detectors is the end-of-line concept, or EOL for short, which dramatically simplifies the wiring inside the detector. Whilst traditional detectors require all resistor values and alarm, tamper, anti-mask wiring configurations to be set manually and individually, E-line detectors just require the appropriate plug-in EOL boards to be clipped directly onto the detector's PCB. This smart concept gives installers the unique benefit of preset resistor values that are compatible with commonly used intrusion control panels, or preset wiring preferences for 2, 4, or 6-wire configurations. However, E-line detectors also support traditional wiring configurations without EOL boards. In addition to the unique end-of-line concept, E-line detectors offer a wealth of other innovative features, including a removable clip-on and off terminal block, and of course, the popular snap-in cover already available in the existing range of intranet motion detectors. Because E-line detectors were designed with installers in mind, they truly simplify and speed up all stages of the installation, from preparation to wiring, setup, and walk test, and even maintenance and upgrades. With traditional detectors, many parts, resistors, and sometimes special tools are required. The smartly designed in-installation concepts of E-line detectors eliminate the need for resistors or special tools. As a result, the preparation phase is much faster. With traditional detectors, wiring can be impractical and time-consuming due to the very tight space inside the detector. E-line detectors, on the contrary, offer a removable terminal block, which makes wire termination more practical and holds all wires neatly in place. This also reduces the risk of wires being accidentally pulled out during and after installation. In addition, traditional detector wiring can be even more complex and time-consuming because depending on the wiring configuration, different resistors need to be selected and individually wired. E-line detectors facilitate this stage of the installation thanks to the EOL boards with preset wiring configurations or resistor values. Traditional manual resistor wiring often leads to time-consuming fault handling, as the risk of faulty installation increases with the amount of wires and terminations required. With the unique EOL concept in E-line detectors, the wiring is simpler and neater, thereby reducing the risk of wiring errors and facilitating installation troubleshooting. Setting up E-line detectors is quicker and more flexible than with traditional detectors, thanks to flexible sensitivity settings, widely adjustable detection ranges with PIR and microwave set independently, easy functionality customization, flexible creep zone protection and pet immunity, and a true family approach facilitating detector exchanges or upgrades. E-line detectors offer the highest sensitivity settings flexibility and are particularly ideal for installations where PIR and microwave need to be adjusted independently to ensure the best detection. With E-line detectors, DIP switches enable the detector settings to be easily and quickly adjusted. E-line detectors feature a preset 12-meter detection range, adjustable to between 6 and 18 meters, the widest spectrum on the market. Combined with the unique capability to set the PIR and microwave ranges independently via potentiometers, E-line detectors again provide installers with a great versatility of installations, as they can truly cater for rooms of any size. Contrary to most traditional detectors, E-line detectors enable the field of view to be changed from curtain to volumetric, or the white light filter to be adapted to the optics without taking the PCB out. Just release the lens through the cavities, adapt the curtain cover or white light filter on the front, then push the lens into place. This operation can be done as many times as required over the lifetime of the detector. This design feature reduces the number of different detectors needed in stock, as well as the risk of damage or contamination, as it eliminates unnecessary manipulation of sensitive electronics. Traditional detectors very often cannot handle pet immunity and creep zone protection at the same time on the same detector, resulting in compromises having to be made or more detectors to be installed. With Grade 2 E-line detectors, pet immunity can be switched from 12 to 30 kilograms effortlessly and reliably. Grade 3 detectors with anti-mask enable both to work at the same time. In addition, switching between creep zone protection and pet immunity can be done in a reversible manner, as often as needed. Just push in the creep zone mirror cover to obtain full 12 to 30 kilogram pet immunity, or pull out the same creep zone mirror for full EN Grade 3 creep zone protection with 12 kilogram pet immunity. Beyond ensuring that the sensitive electronics and lens do not get contaminated or damaged during installation, the snap-in cover facilitates detector upgrades and exchanges. The back plate remains in place, and so does all the wiring, whilst only the cover needs exchanging. E-line detectors are the first detector family to be independently tested and certified to meet the latest EN standards, which require 100% pass for all tests. Siemens has been at the forefront of intrusion detection technologies for many decades, and E-line detectors are no exception. Trust Siemens and reduce installation time by 50%. Reach new levels of installation flexibility. Benefit from the best detection capability. Get peace of mind thanks to detectors that are fully tested to the latest quality standards. All this while reducing your stock levels and costs. E-line detectors offer a wealth of often unique features that make their installation flexibility unmatched. Every feature has a purpose and meets one of the challenges faced by installers every day. E-line detectors, simply the fastest installation time, and so much more.